Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to set Start menu layout to default on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To set Start menu layout to default on Windows 11 computer, click on Start menu. Now click on Settings. In left pane, click on Personalization. Now scroll down. Here you will find an option Start. Click on Start. And under Start, the first option is Layout. And now More Pins is selected. And you will find here another layout, Default. Click here in Radio button. Now default layout is selected. Now I am going to check. Click on Start menu. Look, this one is the default layout in Windows 11 Start menu. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.